Hi guys, welcome back to Burlesque Chefs. My name is Colleen and today we're going to show you a very simple one pot, a complete meal. It's called khichdi, but we're making a twist. Typically khichdi is in many homes is made just with rice and lentils, but we're going to make a little bit of twist in it to ensure that we're getting the right sort of proteins and also proteins that are digestible by your system and actually getting a complete protein in one vegetarian meal, and that's very tough to do, as you know. So what we're using in our khichdi, or a mix of one pot meal, is really sprouted lentils, and we're going to use broken wheat, which is also called Dalia. With both of those things combined, actually do a better job in getting the right proteins and the right nutrients that you need than going back to our traditional, rice and lentil khichdi. So do check out this recipe. I promise you it's super easy, and as always, in the descriptions below, you will see exactly what you need in terms of the measurements of the ingredients. So hope you like it, and we look forward to your comments.
So let's get started in making this dalia with sprouted lentils. First I've got here just dalia, which is broken wheat, and we're going to also take some sprouted lentils, and we've shown you the description of how to do it. If you have another question on how to make sprouted lentils, just shoot us a comment. What we've done here is put both the dalia and the sprouted lentils in water. We're gonna add some bay leaves now into this pan. We're actually using a pressure cooker. We're gonna be adding some turmeric, some salt, and incremental water. So you'll see all the description will have how much water is needed. We're going one whistle in your pressure cooker. And then we're going to add some garlic. I've just finely chopped some garlic. Onions, red onions are great to add to this as well. So we're going to use that. We're going to take a couple tablespoons or teaspoons of ghee, clarified butter, and you're going to add some cumin seeds. And this is really all for the tempering. Finally, some hing, which is asafoetida, and then we're going to add some red chili powder as well. Of course, that's optional. You can do green chilies as well if you like. Adding up the chopped up garlic now. You can see I actually like bigger pieces of garlic. Feel free to finely chop them. Then adding some onions into the clarified butter with all of these spices as well. So this is really going to give it a bit of that pizzazz, into your otherwise, fairly simple mixture of the sprouts and the dalia. So we're just going to now put this, right over your dalia, which is ready. As I said, we've done the whistles, and you're just going to thoroughly mix it in to make sure you've got all of these amazing spices and the flavors right into your dalia and sprouts mixture. So here you have it. This is one complete meal with lots of protein in there from the sprouts, and really, completing the set of your nutrients with adding both grains and lentils in the same dish. And it is vegan if you do replace the ghee or clarified butter with any sort of oil that can take high temperature for the tempering. So hope you enjoyed this recipe, and please do not hesitate to ask us a question in the comments if you have any. See you next time.